Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply for food stamps in California. So, all you have to do is head over to BenefitsCal.com, and from here, just scroll down, and right off the bat, you should be able to see apply for benefits. Just click on this, and from here, under ready to apply, just click on apply for benefits. And from here, you will be given an overview on how the application works. So you're going to fill in and submit your application and upload your documents. They will then review your application and reach out to schedule your interview. And to start, just click on the begin button. And from here, you can see helpful tips that can help you in your application. And from here, all you have to do is fill out as much as you can. You're going to need at least your name, where you currently live, date of birth, if you're applying for cash aid, and signature. And after that, you can submit your application anytime. And to protect your privacy, your data will be lost after 15 minutes of inactivity, and make sure that you fill out all the required fields. Other fields are optional, but you'll have to answer them when you talk to a county worker. Then just click the next button when you are done with the question, and just click on the back arrow button to return to the previous step. And once you're ready with your application, just proceed by clicking on next. So from here, you just going to see diversity, equity, and inclusion statement. So just proceed. Then once again, click on next. And from here, you should be able to see an application summary. So these are all the steps you're going to need to go through all throughout your application. And to start filling out other details, you're going to need to start filling out your information. Then once you're done filling this out, you're going to need to fill out people, and you can unlock other fields when you're not done with the previous ones. And to start, just click on the start button. And this is how the application form looks like. All you have to do is answer all the questions accurately, correctly, and with integrity. Then once you're done submitting your application, you're then going to need for them to reach you out for a schedule to an interview. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!